Have you been looking for an effective solution to cut all of your plywood, OSB or sheet stock in a small space quickly, cleanly and accurately without having to adjust your workstation setup or trail around with clumsy cables and extensions? Well, here's your new friend. Stay with us for a full tool guide right here. Hi everyone, I'm DK. And today we're going to look at the R165CCS Li. It's an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless 165mm circular saw. The saw is part of Evolution Power Tools' new family of cordless power tools. The saw itself comes supplied with a 165mm premium Japanese carbide tip blade. This is a multi-material cutting saw blade. One saw, one blade, cuts it all. All of the batteries in the range will ensure that the saw will operate with no compromise on power or accuracy. The machine allows for accurate cutting with an adjustable depth of cut. Simply release the lever here to adjust from 0 to 55mm. This is ideal for plunge cutting to do, say, floor repair work. There's a lever here on the saw, which allows you to adjust the bevel angle for this machine. It can adjust the bevel angle from 0 to 50 degrees with a maximum capacity of 32mm, allowing for tilted cuts accurately and easily. Great for miter cutting. A straight edge guide is included. This slots in here. This will assist you on your straight line cutting of your sheet materials. To assist you with your cutting, there are these base indicators at 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Here you have clear visibility of the blade and a channeled airflow system, which ensures optimum visibility of your cutting line. Another excellent accessory to use with your cordless circular saw is this Evolution metal sawhorse folding legs twin pack. It's a must-have piece of kit for every tradesman or DIYer. For charging, there's two options. Either this single dock unit or this double dock charge unit. Once plugged in, you slot your battery in like this. You can monitor the charge status from the LED charge indicator here. There you have it, the Evolution R165CCS Li 18-volt lithium-ion cordless circular saw and supplied multi-material cutting carbide blade. This circular saw is ideal for carpentry, home improvement projects, or first fix work. Well, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed learning about this saw. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.